The Artizles HKN140 auto-tightening snow chains stand out for their very fast, intuitive mounting system that can be secured in roughly 1 minute, even in bad weather. Their self-tensioning mechanism keeps the chains snug on the tire as you drive, so there is no need to stop and readjust once they are installed. Built from a tough manganese steel alloy, these chains feel solid in the hand and are designed to resist wear without chewing up your tires. The diamond-style layout of the crosslinks gives more continuous contact with the road, which translates into better traction and a noticeably smoother ride on packed snow and ice. They are engineered to work on a wide range of passenger vehicles, from cars to sport utility vehicles and pickup trucks, as long as you choose the correct size for your tire dimensions. Because they are reusable and intended for emergency traction, as well as regular winter driving, they make a practical addition to a cold weather safety kit for anyone who frequently encounters snow, slush, or icy back roads.